As if Haiti's 7.2 magnitude earthquake, a tropical storm and the coronavirus pandemic weren't enough, the temblor damaged the only medical oxygen plant in the southern part of the country. The building that housed the oxygen concentrator machines that the region depended on partially collapsed, and the machines were upended. The Ethos company is run by the family famous for their vetiver perfume oils plant in the city of Lekes, one of the areas hardest hit by Saturday's earthquake. We are trying to get the oxygen production started again. That is our responsibility, because many people depend on it, said Kurt June, one of the brothers who run the plant, as he showed reporters through the damaged, rubble-strewn plants on Thursday. The quake left concrete pillars and roofs at the facility leaning, and cement block rubble battered the tanks, electrical system and the delicate web of copper tubing that fills vital oxygen plants. The oxygen generators are upside down, June said. We did get a promise of help from the Public Works Department to get the rubble out with excavators,